Alright, YouTube, what's up? Alright. I have not been here in like 3 or 4 weeks about. So I'm back again. I forgot about y'all, to be honest. I'm sorry. But I'm chilling with Tiffany and Lily, bro. We just over here chilling and that. But I don't know what I really want to show y'all right now. I have been through a lot of stuff during the week though. Like this party that was this year, we had the spring dance. I had so much fun. To be honest, y'all want to say something beautiful? Come on. Tiffany be the lame. She don't want to say nothing, y'all. So Lily about to. Lily.
Hi, y'all.
Nah, Tiffany want to say something.
Alright, here we go. This is me on the beat. Here we go. So look, it's me all day, it's me all day, it's always. So we go turn up today, right? We go do not turn up. Okay, but look. If y'all know how to whine, pick this up. Well, make one.
She fooling. Turn down.
Turn down.
Turn down. Turn down.